Hey guys, so it's 11th night and I'm going cycling tomorrow with my friends. And me and my friends really do not get the time to do something so much fun that often. So why not vlog this, right? And so that means that I'm going cycling with all of you guys. Now, yeah, see you tomorrow. Bye. I woke up like this. Let's start with the most basic stuff. Okay, I really need to hurry up. I'm getting late. So the problem is that I'm not gonna bathe right now because first of all I'm going cycling, so I'm gonna get sweaty anyway. And anyways, I bathed like yesterday evening type, so then I'm not gonna bathe right now. So that is the situation. I'm gonna keep my hair open till I can because I feel like I look better in that than like in a ponytail and stuff. So that's it. Hi Karina. Hi Anta.
You're eating so.
Eating? Eating? Cut the camera. Hi. We are in MTR going to some place up there. बस हाई बोलती रहेगी सारा टाइम. You put eyeliner?
Yeah, I told you I'm putting.
Yeah.
You also tell about us.
The shop opens only at 10. It's 10. She's so scared. As a normal thing, you will wonder why are there live crickets hanging next to the random girl's floor, right? And the reason why there are crickets hanging outside the door is because she has pets which are lizards, small mice and snakes to which she needs to feed the crickets. Boys in my room like king, 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 king. Here the crickets yesterday.
Yeah, like when you go next to the bag, you can hear them rustling and moving.
No reaction you have? What?
I have nothing to say.
I think we belong here. Wow, artsy. You taking pictures? विख्यात फोटो के लिए सेफ्टी नहीं रिस्क करते ऐसे.
Army and safe.
Can't sit. Bye.
How much time it takes to cycle?
If you stop every second for pictures like you always want to Vikhyat, then it'll take 5 hours. I'm so scared of that. Okay, we're at Taiwan. Reached our location, guys. Say yeah. Say yeah. Anta and I are leading the dumbasses. Do you know how to cycle, Antu? So cool. Anta can cycle.
Yeah, she can do anything.
Look at her. Struggling.
Reversing is a bit of a problem there, but
Yeah, reversing is a problem, but I think
fine.
for everyone,
yeah,
right?
I think we can just feel how to go.
Anta, you're doing amazing, honey.
Why did she just
Don't kill me. You can do it. I believe in you. You ready to cycle and take over the world? Say yes.
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Yes? Yes. Okay, so we're all ready and all, but we don't know which way it is. It is this way or it is that. Okay, let's begin.
Okay, wait, I'm gonna take snaps. Hello.
Water and all. Fancy me. Here we're going. Say hey to the camera. Mahima, say hey. Oh my god, I'm just vibing with the beauty of this Hong Kong. Guys, this is just too gorgeous. We are just chilling, taking break, taking some pics, group pic. Isn't the view gorgeous, gals? Come to the bad. Like, Shan, come. We're not taking the you'll have to. Yeah. Okay, this is a good shot. So I'm gonna turn the camera. The person who is running has so much sweat, bro. That's insane. He's gonna get a summer board that I ain't gonna get. Say hi. Hola. Now I don't know any other language. Welcome to Hong Kong Science Hub. If you are a startup person, you wanna come work here for the vibes, you know. I'm boiling as well. Mine is also boiling because of the hotness. Oh my god, are you okay? So Mahima, what have you been up to nowadays?
I've been dying because of my work.
Oh my god, the balloons! Doing that is gonna make it less hot.
This is what happened when you study BBA.
So now it's tea time with Antara and Karina. How is the cycling feeling, guys?
Great, except I fell and I hurt my knee.
Because of some random ass couple. Oh shit, I almost killed a bird. Karina fell because the couple wanted to take coupley pics. So like, what the hell, right?
Stupid idiots.
Where's Antara? You Antara, say hi. How's your cycle? Are you enjoying the workout?
Don't lie, Antara, even though you want to stop. The workout is too much, man.
It's okay. We're gonna be fit after this.
I'm not gonna be able to walk tomorrow.
We are gonna do some bed vacation tomorrow. Hey Shan, how's it going? Ishan,
I'm not gonna see you.
it's 1. Hi Vikhyat. Yeah. How's your time going? Oh my god, this really does not feel like home. It really just feels like we're in some European city right now. Okay, so now me and the girls and the guys also have done a photo shoot, and now we're gonna go, and almost in a kilometer thing is gonna end. We are really tired from this because we couldn't find the place where we had to return the bike. So now we're waiting at Pizza Hut, and Mahima and I are sharing this ice cream. And choco chip. Oh my god, look at the garlic bread.
How's the garlic bread?
We are damn tired, and now we're gonna take the bus to the Taipo station and then back to our home. Path is red from this
Oh yeah.
cycling trip.
Yeah.
Sunburned.
Sunburn.
Why? Because you don't have any melanin.
Yeah, I didn't
He's
put
weak.
I didn't
It
put.
was a really nice thing. It wasn't that tiring or anything. It was only, I think, 10 to 11 kilometers or something. We had rented the cycle, so we had to find the shop where we had to return the cycles, and it was under some like underway or like some bypass kind of thing. So that took us like 1 hour or something. That was irritating, and then we were so hungry and all. So that's it. So if you can utilize Google Maps correctly, then maybe you should do that for that part. But other than that, cycling for 10 km was not as bad as I thought. It was in fact really nice and pleasant. Oh, that's too pretty. There is a typhoon, but look at that tree. It is just like dying. If you enjoyed this video, then like, comment and share, and also subscribe and turn your post notifications on if you want to get a notification every time that I post, so you can keep tabs on my life. Anyways, this is my cute stuffed toy. Bye. See you guys in the next one.